Hey, it's Troy, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you something absolutely amazing that just officially launched yesterday at the time of me shooting this video. And I encourage you to watch this video through to the end if you are involved in a home business and network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling. If you are interested in connecting with the right people and sharing your opportunity with qualified people to work with, right? Not everybody should be qualified to work with you. This is going to be one of those programs where it makes too much sense not to take advantage of this. So, how many times have you done any kind of paid traffic or free traffic, solo ads, cost per click campaigns, pay per click ads, and you connect with people. Some of them it's more of an automation thing, traditional email marketing. They get to know you, they get to build a rapport with you, a relationship through your emails. And then you have those that you might connect with off of social media, but the principles are still the same. So, I don't know how you feel about this. I know personally my biggest pet peeve is when I end up dealing with tire kickers or time wasters. More importantly, people that say they're going to do something and then they never actually follow through with what they said. I don't know how many of you have ever been in a situation like that, but it's not a pleasant thing. So here is an environment for you to be able to find people that are exactly what it is that you're looking for without having to buy traffic or to spend money on ads. So give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes. I'm using this particular example. Here's what happened. I took a screenshot of this individual's profile. I took a screenshot of this, and then I took that screenshot and I uploaded it into this system. Now, this new system just launched yesterday. It's called Social2Lead, and this is a part of something that was launched about 6 weeks ago, known as Nowsite Nav or Nowsite Navigator. Now, this has been built in stages, and we finally, as of yesterday, reached the stage where really most of what we want this to do for us in business we're able to do now. So what is Social2Lead? You could take a screenshot from any social media site. Any social media site you could pull a screenshot from, and this will work whether you are connected to the individuals that you are taking a screenshot of. If they're friends, if they're not friends, it doesn't even matter. So think of the millions and millions of people that are on social media. You take a screenshot, right? And then I come over here, I upload the screenshot into the back office, and then I just click this add contact button. Now, I'm going to pause the video because it's going to take about a minute for this information to be pulled up, and I don't want you guys to just sit around waiting. So, like I said, it took just about a minute for this to pull out all this information. So let me explain to you what just happened. I uploaded the image into the back office from the screenshot. A minute later, when I plugged this into the system, look at all of this information that the AI bots pulled off of the internet regarding to this individual, right? I've got a personality report in here. I've got instructions on booking a meeting. I've got instructions on how to tap into their pain points. What is it that this individual may or may not need help with? I got a highlight relating to this person, and I'm just going to read it. Dr. Ebony Ashley Wright is a digital creator and the owner and CEO of All Wellness Matters, LLC. She focuses on empowering individuals towards healing, wholeness, and soulful living. She is associated with the Facebook page for Wellness Matters LLC. And let's take a look at more information that is in here. You know, this thing could pull reports as far as your former places of employment. You know, what social media accounts do you currently have online? You know, there's a lot that could be pulled off of this. But let's just tap into one thing: personality. Right now, check out this personality report, because we know not everyone has the same personality, right? Most people are different, and you have to attract and interest them in different perspectives. So this individual, the system found, is enthusiastic, adaptable, personable, likely to be personable, energetic, and forward thinking, often considering opportunities for the future. Behavior: a people person who is more likely to be interested in a product that you are personally excited about. Explain how you use the product and tie the pitch back to your personal experience to help them feel more like the product is worthwhile. That's just a personality report, right? So there's so many different things that I could tap into. Emailing them, setting up a meeting, right, to meet with them. What are their normal stressors? What are the things that stress them out? What are the things that energize them? You know, what do they really, really enjoy? And then you have all of this instruction regarding building rapport, handling competition, discussing money, creating urgency, right? So you have multiple AI tools that are working together to create the perfect environment. So with this program, I'm able to promote multiple different business opportunities. And look what happens when I turn on this nav system, right? Look what happens. Just give it a few seconds. Now, what this thing is doing is it's building up the connection between myself from the Social2Lead information that it shared that I just pointed out to you to the nav, right? Connecting this to the nav and creating something specifically for a business that I want to share with this individual. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on sales plan. Right now, from the sales plan, the system is telling me that these are a few things that I need to do, right? Today's date, January 17, 2025. Initiate connection. Send a direct message to Ebony, introducing yourself without mentioning the company, expressing genuine interest in learning about their current challenges in email marketing and list building, right? Whatever it is. And then it tells me a few days later, a reminder, engaging with them on social media. And then a few days after that, focus on exploring their needs. Now, I'm going to do one a little bit better. Bear with me. I'm going to share this with you as I wrap this video up. All right. So the first part of this video and what I shared, the majority of this was about the analytical side, right? Learning everything that you can about people that you're most interested in sharing your opportunity with. This is going to decipher people, marketers, from being able to just not know really a whole lot about the individual that they're trying to reach out to, that they're trying to develop a rapport, a relationship with. It will separate those people that are not really perhaps ideal for your opportunity. I am bald-headed, right? If somebody's selling hair care products, personally, I don't need them. So you can eliminate those time wasters, tire kickers, people that promise they're going to do one thing and then, you know, do the exact opposite. You know, you want to deal with people that are like you, responsible, motivated, ambitious, you know, the people that actually are showing up. So here's what I wrote right now, just so you know from where I left off. All that I did was I came over here, hit the nav button at the top, right there at the top, and this page pulled up. I typed in a message for the AI bot, and the message is, I have never had a chat or a conversation with Ebony. Can you please suggest a message I could send to start a chat? Right? So I want to know, like, maybe I'm uncertain and don't know what to say. You know, this person is a doctor. Maybe I don't know um, how to go about starting the conversation. So the nav is intuitive. And the nav, when you tell it what it is that you want, it's going to perform that act. So check this out. Here's a message response. Hi, Ebony. I hope this message finds you well. We've been connected for a while, and I've been meaning to reach out and introduce myself. I'm always interested in meeting new people and learning from their experiences. If you're open to it, I'd love to hear more about your journey and share a bit about myself or a bit about mine. Looking forward to connecting. Best, Troy, right? So this is a very, very friendly, non-intrusive message. I'm going to copy and paste this message, and then I'm going to plug it into my messenger when I reach out to this individual. Now, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to let the system know, and I'm just saying this hypothetically for the purposes of this video. Let me put this. I just sent Ebony the message. Please update the sales plan. Right? So I'm going to show you why this is important and why I did this. Just give it another couple of seconds. All right. So while this is loading up, let me explain one thing, right? I personally feel, as somebody that works 100% remotely from home, you know, I have not had a job and fired my boss several years ago. And maybe this will make sense to you, maybe it won't. But I would rather identify 10 people a day, take 5 minutes with 10 people a day to qualify them for whatever it is that I'm currently promoting and involved in, and do that, right? Just 10 people a day, take 5 minutes out for each. I'd rather do that than be spending hours and hours a day on social media trying to find people to connect to, trying to avoid being pitched, trying to, you know, just give everyone the same opportunity, when most people, when it comes to either social media and in a particular paid traffic, understand the reason why most people don't join your opportunity when you're using paid traffic is that it's cold traffic. It takes email marketing and you to create that relationship, develop that relationship. So majority of the people that are opting into your pages have no intention on joining you in business. They just want to see what the free video has to offer. So think about that. So look at what the system sent me back when I asked it to update itself. I've updated Ebony Ashley Wright's sales plan to reflect the message you sent. The next step is to engage with her social media posts to establish rapport by January 20th. Keep up the great work. So it's giving me a daily method of operation. It's giving me instructions on the next step. But more importantly, and I hope you catch this, more importantly, it's updated the sales plan. See, this sales plan is customized for each individual that you load into the system. Every single prospect that you load as a lead into the system has their own individualized sales plan. So in this case, the system knows what is the best strategy for connecting with this person and building that rapport and that relationship, and it's guiding me intuitively to the next step. I hope this made sense. So How do you take advantage of this? Very simple. You can go to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to my channel, and I want you from my channel to click on the links that are there and look for the link that talks about Nowsite Nav. Look for that link. If you're getting this video as a result of an email, right, go back to the email right now. At the bottom of the email, you're going to see a link. Click on that link so that that will give you direct access to my Nowsite website, and you can get more information regarding the nav, how it works. There is a phenomenal discount that is going on and being offered right now at the time of me shooting this video. So take advantage, go check out that email or go check out my channel. And I look forward to working with many of you. Once again, I'm Troy. Have an outstanding day.